Enabling biometric login on your Curve 2026 is a straightforward process that enhances security and convenience. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Curve app. Launch the Curve app on your Curve 2026 device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on the profile icon or the gear icon, usually found in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select security options. In the settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. Tap on it to access various security features. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Find the option for biometric login, which may be labeled as fingerprint or Face ID. Toggle the switch to enable this feature. Step 5. Confirm your choice. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Once you have completed these steps, biometric login will be enabled on your Curve 2026, allowing for quick and secure access to your account. Enjoy the added convenience.